guys, we're cooking okra soup today in the kitchen and it's looking all nice. It's a seafood one, but if you want to know how we put all of that together, you need to keep on watching. In the meantime, let's get started. Hello, assalamu alaikum. I am Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's kitchen. How are you all? So still on our Ramadan Iftar meals, we have got you today okra soup. We're going to cook a very nice seafood okra soup today in the kitchen, and it's going to go with all these ingredients here. We've got some catfish here that we already soaked in hot water and washed it nice and clean, and we've got some prawns here, king prawns, that we already clean as well, but we're not going to peel it. We're going to put it in there just like that. And we've got some palm oil here. We've got some small chilies that we are going to blend with the onions, and then the spring onion and chili here also, Scotch bonnet chili, that we will blend with this lot here. And this locust bean, this locust beans, we're going to blend it along with the onions, and it's all going in our lovely okra soup today. Yes, and we've got the main ingredient of the okra soup, which is the okra. We have bought a frozen okra from Asda, and it came in this packet right here, and it's a 1 kg that I add, and I bought it from Asda. It's very reasonable. So I have got a whole packet in here, which I will be blending some of it and then put it in our okra soup, because I want the okra soup to be very runny today. I want to eat it like how we, normally, that fufu that you go and buy from that fatus at the corner in the Gambia, sometimes you just, and then you're eating it with your hand. So that's what we're going to cook for you today. And this Ramadan is all going to be simple and straightforward, okay? So we're going to be eating this okra soup with fufu. It's gonna be like fufu okra soup. I wish we can have fish cake that we will throw in this okra soup. Anyway, all jokes aside, now let's crack on, okay? So guys, as you can see, I have put on some water on the stove and it is boiling already. So I'm going to go on and add the catfish in. I'm going to steam it in there for a little bit. Alright, and I'm also going to add the prawns in. I like to do the prawns first. I like to steam the prawns a little bit before I add it in the end, because they are raw prawns as well. But everybody cook different. You just do what is best for you. Okay, this is how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of those and let them cook for a little bit. I'm not going to cook them for long, maybe about 5 minutes, then I will take them out. But you will not miss out on anything, my lovelies. Okay, let's check our seafood, how they're cooking. It's been 5 minutes already. I'm going to take everything out. So that's that. We set that aside. And then I'm going to put this dry catfish in. And then I'll put my blended ingredients in as well. We'll give it all a mix. I'm just going to add a tiny amount of water in the blender to rinse it and add it in. Because okra is full of water, so you need to be just careful with water, okay? That should be enough. And I'm also going to add some palm oil in there. Alright, so I'll add that for now, and then I'm gonna let it cook with the onions and the other ingredients, the locust beans and the chilies. And then I'm going to cover this halfway, just like that. I'm not gonna fully cover it, just like that. Okay, so we're gonna leave this to cook until later, then we will move on. So guys, we're going to be checking our onion and all these ingredients, how they're cooking, and we give it a stir. It's cooking beautifully. We're not going to do anything yet because we want them to cook until they're all nicely cooked and the water is more reduced before we add our okra in. Okay, and also I'm going to put the gas down a little bit and let it cook slowly by always stirring it as well. Okay, so I put the lid back on halfway and just let it cook. Okay, right, let's see this cooking here. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, everything has cooked nicely. I have roughly blended the okra half and half, and then I'm going to add it in. Right. I'm going to add the Scotch bonnets in. Today I'm not going to add any chili powder. It's already had enough chilies. And I'm also going to add one Onga prawn. So I'm going to leave this also to cook for a little bit. Okay guys, look at our super kanja. It is drawing nicely, guys. Look at that. All right, so now let me go on and add the palm oil that was left from earlier. Leave this all is there. Today is gonna be a great day in this house because I'll be breaking my fast with my hand. Super is so nice. All right, so I'm going to go on and put back the steamed fish and the prawns. Okay. There you go. I'm going to gently stir. And at this point, I'm going to turn the gas down very low. So guys, that's our seafood super kanja, aka okra soup, ready. But guys, I have learned a secret ingredient today after being together with my other half for more than 15 years. I just learned a new secret. What did they say? You always learn a new secret from your partner every day. You can never stop learning. Look at this here, guys. I was told to add some ginger, to blend some ginger, and at the end of the okra soup cooking, I should add that to it. So I'm going to experience that today. And if that turns out to be nice, well, I have learned myself a new thing today. And when I go and see my in-laws in salon, I will be cooking it for them, eh? This is what we do. We learn new things every day and we bring it in this kitchen. But I cannot imagine how I don't land that long time ago until now. But then anyway, we will see. We will see. So we're going to leave that now and turn the gas all the way down. Then we will leave this to slowly cook up to about 5 to 6 minutes. And then after that, we will dish out and then we will show you how it looks. Okay? So guys, this is the end results of our okra soup making, aka super kanja. It's looking yum yum already. I have never added ginger before in my okra soup, but this is the first time. I can't wait to have it. It's looking yummy already, and if you like watching what you see in the kitchen today, please click the like. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here, so that you don't miss out on contents. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, thank you all so much for coming. We appreciate you all. Until we come on your way again soon, you're all invited. Thank you and goodbye.